Presenting the Tribit StormBox Micro 9 watts Bluetooth 5.0 wireless outdoor speaker, deep bass, powerful loud sound, portable lightweight speaker, voice assistant support, built-in mic, waterproof, wireless stereo pairing, black. The headphones comes in color options of blue, black, and orange. It comes with CNET'S Award, CNET's choice for the best portable mini Bluetooth speaker for 2020, loud and powerful sound and full-sounding mids and trebles. Outstanding wireless speaker, more extension bass and resoundingly deep bass. Portable speaker, auditory experience with bigger sound and stereo effects and outdoor speaker. It has lightweight only 280 grams, exclusive built-in XBass tuning DSP technology and 100% waterproof and stereo pairing, IP67. Unparalleled water and dust protection, waterproof technology, plus fabric-covered exterior and wireless stereo technology. Perfect companion to rock climbing, cycling or hiking, tear-resistant silicone strap and handlebars or backpacks. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.